Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to make a calendar on your Google Sheets. Actually, it's really easy. You just open your Google Sheets, and then instead of typing a date on here, date, month and years on here, you can use the template from the Google Sheets. So you just click file and then click new and then click from template gallery. After that, this bunch of templates already served on this page. After that, you can see there are an option of calendar, 2021 calendar, 2020 calendar, and so on, annual calendar, and so on. Also, there's an option of schedule. So on this video, I will show you how to create a calendar. So click this annual calendar. It will be create a new calendar, a new file of your Google Sheets, which is placed on your Google Drive file folder. And then if you want to go back to your first sheets, you just copy them. You just copy the calendar. It's really easy. This is the 2022 calendar, and then Control C, and then you can just Control V. See, now I have my calendar. So oh, the format is wrong, so you have to click paste spatial and then the values only. Now I have my calendar like this. This is the January, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and so on. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put in the comment below. Thank you.